Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete Gmail account. To get started, open your Gmail account. There, click on the profile and click on Manage your Google account. After that, go to the section Data and Privacy. Here at the bottom, click on Delete your Google account. Enter your current password, click on Next. As you can see, there is information about what will be deleted along with your account. At the bottom, check the boxes and click Delete Account. Now your Gmail account has been deleted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.